Hey guys, so today I want to show you how I got these really nice boho crochet locks. These are crochet goddess locks I got using the brand Holland 125 Kima braid, and honey, these locks were giving me a life. So let's get into it. So I purchased 4 packs of this here, but I actually wind up only using 3 and I returned 1 pack. So 3 of the packs are T1B30, which means they're brown, but then the ends are a lighter brown. And then the 3rd pack I use is a straight 30, which is straight light brown. And I just use that between the here to mix it up. I wind up returning one of the T1B30 because it was so full. So while doing these crochet locks, I always do 2 rows of box braids in the front so it can just have a more realistic look, and then I just do a horizontal cornrows going back and forth. Nothing special because you won't really even see that once I install the crochet locks. I will say this though, like even though the look is giving me life, I will not be purchasing these crochet locks in the future because the base of the actual lock was a little like cumbersome, like where to find a hole, and a little frizzy. So sometimes it would be just kind of difficult to it's hard to explain. It would just be difficult to work with. Um, and sometimes the strands in the hole would get like tangled in with me pulling the actual lock through the loop and trying to crochet it in my hair. It was just so cumbersome. So, but I mean, I love the look, sis. But and then also the base of the lock was just too clunky. Like no matter how tight I would try to pull it through, and I think the reason why the base was so clunky is because it was just way too frizzy. But here I just want to show you how my whole crochet process was going. And I'm going to just give you a close-up look at the holes. So this is like the base of these faux locks. Like as you can see, the holes, it was just kind of frizzy and cumbersome. So even like pulling the crochet needle through the holes, it would be hard to like keep the base of the hole open without certain strands getting tangled or intertwined or matted. And like I stated, just the base of my knots to me just looked way too clunky. Again, mind you, this is not the first time I've done crochet braids. I've done crochet braids in the past, more just like straight up Senegalese twist look, or just braids, but not boho locks. So I love the look, sis, but I don't think I'm gonna be purchasing this again. But honey, let me tell you, so this is how they look like in the daytime. I just love how cute they were, and I will definitely be rocking this look during the holidays. And also the hair was, I would say, 22 inches, so it was very long. You'll see in a second, like the hair almost came down to my waist. But on an everyday everyday look, I would just always wear 2 strands in the front, and then I would just do like a half up, half down, because the hair was so full, so full. But yeah, here you can see it came down to my waist. It was very long. Like I actually left one whole row with no crochet in it. But I love the look, and I'll be rocking this for the holidays. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.